Hey everyone, welcome to Smart, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Fire Stick on your TV. So first open the box, take out the power brick. This one is the power brick. First what you have to do is just take out the Fire Stick, which is this, and let's take just like this one. Just unwrap it, and here is the Fire Stick. Okay, so first what you have to do is just take Fire Stick, and then here is the cable. You have to plug the cable into the Fire Stick. Here is the port for the cable. Now take the cable and plug it in. Now take the power brick, which is this one. This is the power brick, and plug it in like this. Go behind your TV and carefully insert this into one of the HDMI ports you will get with your TV. Take your power brick and plug it into a power supply and turn by switching it on. Now go behind your TV and just plug it in. As you can see, it is currently searching for signal. HDMI 3 port. Now it is scanning the parts. As you can see the Fire Stick logo here. So here are the batteries. I will just put these batteries into the remote. Searching for your remote. So I will just place the remote like this and it will automatically detect. Now I will press on the search start button to activate. So the language will be English United Kingdom. So it will scan for a network, as you can see. I will select my Wi-Fi. Now I will put in the password. So you have to use your left right keys, and it is connected to my Wi-Fi. So it's very easy to set. The Wi-Fi setting process is very easy. You have to put on the password and then it will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have a pretty good Wi-Fi speed, because if you have a less Wi-Fi speed like 25 Mbps, then you may face some connectivity issues. So as you can see, it is connection successful. Now it will take some time to load, and as you can see, checking for update. So it will update the Fire Stick. Amazon Prime account. So I will just turn off parental control and preparing a remote for setup. So it is setting up my remote for it. Also have this Alexa button for voice controls, and I really love the this one, Alexa voice control. Okay, so I will just press on here next. So it is playing some music, and I will just set up the remote like this. Yes, the remote has been set up. Now it is again checking for the network speed, and there is some ad or tutorial going on. So I will just skip this tutorial like this. Yeah, and it is again setting up. So get started. Will download like Hotstar, Voot, like this Sony Live and all the stuff, like this Hungama Play. You will get Heroes Now, Ghana, then TVF Play, Old Balaji, Scoop Poop, and all like this, like Fire Stick. You can watch youtube.com on Fire Stick. And yeah, now I will press the play button, this one on the middle, to continue. Now it will take some time to download these apps. Again, set up later. I don't want to set up any data monitoring apps and like that. So I will just continue. And the procedure is very easy. It will take some time to set up, but still it's very easy. As you can see, there are a ton of contents on here. You can watch Mirzapur or Vampire Diaries. You can watch a ton of content on the Amazon Play, via the Amazon Prime account. You can use the Prime account to watch a ton of content. You can also use the Netflix app, the youtube.com, all these apps you can use, and it is very easy thing. You're also getting the Amazon Music, so you can play a ton of songs, and I really love the interface. So I will just use the voice control. I will just press on the voice button, which is this one. I will use the voice button. So you have to press on. So I will just press on here like this, and Coldplay songs. Yeah, see, there is Coldplay songs. So I will press on the middle button, and Coldplay songs will be played automatically. So as you can see, Headful of Dream, a Coldplay documentary. So I will just play this documentary, and as you can see, I have a Prime account, so it will play, and here is the full thing. So let me know in the comment section, how is the video quality of the Xiaomi Mi 43-inch TV, and the sound quality is also good. If I increase the sound quality, the interface is very easy. You're also getting the Hotstar app and all these settings. So let me know in the comment section how is the Fire Stick. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy watching this video, then do give this video a like and also subscribe to Bro Smart for more interesting videos just like this one. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Okay, I was wearing space because I have power. Okay, so as always, thank you so much for watching. This is Bro Smart and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.